stand over where you got the other one and put it on the board. He's almost got it.
He does. What are you gonna do if he gets it?
Oh well.
Let him have it. He doesn't want this, he wants my clip.
He's frustrated. He's like yelling at it.
Like, get up! Don't yell in my ear. What is he doing? Climbing in my ear?
Now he's messing with your rubber band.
What is he gonna mess with next? Are you brushing your hair or something?